Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about addition and subtraction of binary numbers. If you have not watched the videos on the introduction to binary numbers, how you convert from one base to the other, do well to click on the video before this recording. Now, a very quick one. Remember, when you used to add numbers, if you say 2 plus 10 is equal to 12, you can as well say that 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Kindly note that what you are simply doing is you're working in decimals, that is in base 10. Yes, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This will only happen when you are talking in base 10. Are you aware that 1 plus 1 can also be equal to 10? Ask me why. Because if this were to be a binary number, so 1 plus 1, assume it is a decimal number, 1 plus 1 is 2. If you try to convert this to a base 2 number, 2 into 1, what is the remainder? 0. 2 in 1, 0, what is the remainder? 1. As you can see, you can have a claim that 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. So that's the question I will ask you. Sometimes people say, oh, it's the obvious for you to understand that 1 plus 1 is 2. But some say 1 plus 1 is 10. Why? Some others will say 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. Wow. How will that be? That's because you are working in a different base. So today, we're going to be adding numbers that are in base 2. Let's say, for example, example 0. Add 1101 base 2 to 101 base 2. So what do? Let me show you how to go about this. You write 1101, and then you write 101. 1 plus 1, you will add it normally like you are adding in base 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. But convert your 2 to a base 2 number because we are working in base 2. So 2 into, just like I said before, is 1, remainder 0. And 2 in 1, 0, remainder 1. So it means 1 plus 1 is 10. You write down 0, you carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1. You're going to have what? 1. The reason I'm putting down this 1 is because this number is not up to 2. So it is allowed in base 2 numbers. Now, 1 plus 1 again is what? 10. You write down 0. You carry 1. 1 plus 1 again is 10. So you write 10. So it means that 1101 base 2 plus 101 base 2 equals 10010. This is how you add numbers in the binary system. Now, let's look at this. Suppose I ask you to carry out this operation. 100 base 2 minus 1 base 2. Let's see what will happen. Now, remember the process of subtraction is quite simple. Since this is a 0, you will need to go and borrow. So I'm going to borrow 1 from this first number. So this cancels out and becomes 0. I'll bring it here. Now, the number I am borrowing will be 2 because I am working in base 2. So this is 2. I'm still going to borrow again, and this becomes 1. I bring it here. This becomes what? 2. I will borrow again. This becomes 1. I bring it here, and this is what? 2. Now, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Remember, I have 1 here. 1 minus 1, that is 0. I have 1 here, then this is what? 1. Therefore, the answer to this operation is 1, 0, 1, base 2. I'll challenge you again. Let's say you have says calculate each sum or difference. Let's go to the first one. So what is 1 plus 1? That is 2. No, sorry, 1 plus 0, that is 1. I'm going to write down 1 because it's not up to 2. And 1 and 0 are the only numbers that are allowed in the binary system. Okay? Now, oh, this is subtraction. I beg your pardon. This is subtraction. So this is 1 minus 0, which is 1. Then I have 1 minus 0 again. I have 1. Now, I have 0 minus 1, as you can see. It's not possible. So I'm going to come back here. I borrow 1 from this. The one I'm borrowing becomes 2 because I'm working in base 2. I cancel again. I have 1. I bring to this. This is 2. I cancel again. I have 1. I bring it here. This is 2. Now I have 2 minus 1. This is 1. I have 1 minus 0. 1. 1 minus 0 again. I have 1. And then I have 0. This is now 0. I will still come here and borrow this 1 and bring to this space. This is 2 minus 1. That is 1. So as you can see, the answer to this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, base 2. Now let's go to the addition. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now, but 1 plus 1 is 10. Remember that. Because when you say 1 plus 1, it is 2. But 2 is not allowed in the binary system because it's a base 2 number. So you convert 2 into 1, remember 0. 2 in 1, 0, remainder 1. So that is 10. That makes it 10. I hope with these explanations, you will have understood how to what? Carry out a calculation on addition and subtraction in the binary number system. Watch out for the next video on binary numbers. I'll see you later. Bye for now. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.